Oh yeah, he's over here.
You see him?
I don't see him, I hear him. Oh, he's pissed.
Oh, I hear him now. I was just about to say I don't hear him at all. Love tap him. Hit him with the MK2.
I don't really see him, and I'm out of ammo for that.
He's close.
He is close. Oh, I see him. He's far. Nah, I hit him. I hit him with the crossbow. That was a good shot. Oh fuck, he could hit from up here. We're not safe in here. Oh fuck. Get it, get it.
Get it! Close the door! Fuck! Are you good?
Yeah, okay.
Dude, this guy's fucking fast.
Oh, oh, what the hell?
Holy shit, dude, what the fuck? If he gets in, we're fucked. How do we get out?
I think we're fucked.
I think I gotta start streaming again.
Yeah, me too.
Wait, calm down.
Yeah, he's still here. Should have been a double. Oh! Oh! Oh my god!
Open the door!
I
He just spawned in. Fuck. Ah!
Door's open. Door's open.
Oh, I knocked out.
I'm distracting him.
I got cut too, though.
What?
I got cut by him.
Oh shit. Oh, he's dead.
I'm coming back. Is he dead?
Yeah, he's dead.
Oh, thank God. I have a leather stone kit. I can fix his head if it's bad. Actually, I think yeah, I do. Oh, dude, that was scary, dude.
That was fun though. That was fun.
That was scary. I'm like in front of the building.
Distracting his. I have to take care of zombies. I was shooting.
Oh, dude, I have 3 cuts. I'm fucked.
I only have rags.
I'm flashing.
Hold on. Saline solution. Where are you?
Hey, dude, quick.
I only have this. The rags.
That'll do. Better than a sewing kit, because it's like instant death.
We should
Thank
be good.
you, sir.
Oh shit, dude. Thank God. Yeah,
That
here
was...
he is. That was fun.
Worth it. Worth it. Well, I'll live. I'm going up
Yeah.
double blood right now, actually.
Oh, there's the headdress.
Pristine headdress.
Hell yeah. Oh, dude,
Oh, he
look
looks
at you. He looks
weird.
stupid with the ski mask.